What's up guys, this is Deepak Bangar from Profitable Traders, and this video is all about financial education and being financially literate person. Why it is important, how you can become financially literate, and different aspects of how to earn money, grow your money, protect your money and manage your money. And at the end I am going to share with you how you can leverage the power of our Profitable Traders community so that you can take charge of your financial future without you having to depend on someone else to take the financial decisions for you. So let's get started. Let's first talk about what exactly is this financial education all about. Financial education is an education which, in my view, helps you to give the knowledge about how exactly money works, how to earn, protect, manage and grow your money. Why this is important to be a financially literate? From our childhood we have heard so many times about all the wrong things about money. We have heard that money is the root cause of all the problems in life. But is that true? In my view, it is not the money which is the cause of all problems, but it is the lack of proper knowledge about money which actually is responsible for most of the problems in life. And we have also heard our parents or the elderly people saying that money cannot solve every problem. Money is not everything in life. I agree to a certain extent to this statement. What I have observed and realized in my life so far is 95% of the problems actually can be solved by money. And yes, there are 5% problems in life which cannot be solved by money. But what ends up happening for most of the people is they spend most of their energy and the time in solving those 95% of the problems, which actually are because of the lack of proper knowledge about money. And if you have the right education about money, then I personally believe that we can solve those problems, 95% of the problems, with the help of proper knowledge about money, and we can focus our rest of the energy, the best of our energy, to solve those 5% of the problems which actually cannot be solved by money. Formal education is important, but financial education is equally important, if not more, in my view, because ultimately if you want to live a happy, healthy and prosperous life, a life full of financial independence and full of choices, where you are not necessarily trading your time for money, but you are actually working for your passions or the hobbies in your life, for the things that you love to do without having to worry about money. That's what ultimately is living a fulfilling life in my view. And for that, having this education is a mandatory. First, let's talk about what are the different aspects of earning money. See, there are different ways in which people earn money. For example, an employee or in a job, or somebody is in a business, or there are some self-employed professionals like doctors, advocates, engineers, etc. And there are investors or the business people where these systems work for them. There are investors who make their money work hard for them to make them more money. So there are different ways of earning money, and each of these fields or the quadrants in which people are earning money, they have got implications. There are certain advantages and there are certain disadvantages of each of these sectors, and this is important to know the pros and cons of each of them so that you can make the best choices for how you want to earn money. It is important that you have a high income skill if at all you want to enjoy the life of financial independence and freedom. Next, we are going to discuss about when it comes to managing your money. See, as important as it is to earn money, it is more important how you manage what you have earned. When it comes to managing money, it is all about how you are making a budget, your monthly budget, your annual budget, how you are planning for the expenditure for the next few years to come. It's the sort of a financial planning, and how you are tracking your income, your expenses, and how you are planning for saving. So all these things, they come into how to manage your money. The next is about protection of your money. See, we have to protect our money from two things or two kind of risks. One is the risk from the creditors and the other risk is from the predators. Creditors means loans. Okay, what are the for buying house, car, or for meeting some personal needs. Knowledge about how to take the right insurance. Let it be a general insurance, life insurance, or car or the medical insurance. So all these things, what are the different products available in the market and how to select the right product for you. When it comes to the protection of your money from predators, what I mean by that is the get rich quick schemes or the businesses or the opportunities or those shiny objects which promise you to make fast money. Then different frauds or the scams which are happening in the finance world. How to protect your money from that. So you should be knowledgeable about it. And also an important aspect is the how to protect yourself and your money from those agents or the brokers from selling you the wrong financial product. Especially when it comes to insurance and the investment products, there are high chances that if you are not aware, then the product that is going to be sold to you by the insurance agent or the investment agent is in the best interest of him because he is getting commission out of it and not necessarily in the best interest of you unless you are aware and you are able to decide for yourself what is best for you. The last part is the growing of money, and it is very important that you learn this art of making more money with the power of money by investing. Why it is essential? The first reason is because of the protection of money from the inflation. What happens is things become costlier as the time passes by, and the purchasing power of your money reduces as the time passes by because of this inflation. Government figures of inflation are around 6 to 8%, but when it comes to the practical commodities that we use on day-to-day life, trust me, the inflation is in the double digits. So if you are not able to beat at least the government figures of inflation, actually you are losing money by just keeping the money as it is. Saving alone is not enough. You need to learn the investing and growing your money to beat the inflation. So what are the different products which can beat the inflation? What are the different investment avenues? What are the different asset classes like stock market, real estate, gold, alternative investment products, etc., etc. Then you should be aware about what are the risks involved in these products and what are the returns potential. See, if you learn the art of growing your money through the power of investing and compounding, then this is something which can give you the financial independence and financial freedom. Let's now talk about how you can learn about getting the right education about these aspects. See, you may not be having finance background, it's not required. It's just simple logic and few information sources. For example, take the help of Google, then watch some YouTube videos, good YouTube channels about the personal finance. And another way is you can become part of our Profitable Traders community. I'm giving the link of our Facebook group and you can subscribe to our YouTube channel here. I'll try to post few topics, few important topics about personal finance and financial education, about different aspects that we just discussed now on this channel. So make sure you are subscribed to the channel and also become part of our Facebook group where I'll try to share these things, as many things as I can, based on my experience and my knowledge so far. So thanks a lot for your time and I hope you found this information useful. I sincerely want you to take charge of your financial future by being financially literate, get the right financial education, and also pass on this information to your family, to your kids, to your friends and relatives, so that they also are on the right track when it comes to winning the money game. So thanks a lot and I'll see you in the next video.